Hello, this is Darin Martineau here from Pro Magic Art, and I'm here with some good friends here. I'm here with Jeff Marcus, who I've known for about over 20 years.
Yep.
Right? And we met at Magic Live, and we also competed in Gino Minari's Jimmy Grippo Classic Convention. And I'm here with Robert, Vinson, and we've known each other for about 15 years.
I met in Vegas.
And he's also done the 3D graphics for one of my first videos with Thais France. So just wanted to introduce you to them. Could you tell us about? He's the territorial president,
Vice President
of
Southern California for the International Brotherhood of Magicians.
That's really awesome. Congratulations on that.
Thanks.
And he's been doing some really incredible visual rubber band magic we're going to show in another clip. But so I just wanted to ask you about in your professional career. You know, you said you're on TV, and what are some of the highlights? Could you just tell us a couple things of your pro career? Because I know that you've been doing pro magic for a long time.
Well, I've been doing it full time for about 30 years, 35 years roughly, and some of the more interesting ones was I performed for Jonas Salk from the Salk Institute, the founder of polio vaccine, who I didn't recognize, which was embarrassing, and also Willie Shoemaker, the famous. Those are a couple of the ones. But I've also done things for, I've had Elizabeth Montgomery in the audience, and her husband Robert Foxworth, Larry Drake, David Ogden Steers, a lot of big name celebrities, and so that was kind of interesting. I used to be the house magician for the Golden Door, which is a resort for the uber wealthy, and so we've got a lot of big.
Nice.
Millionaires and billionaires in there. That was kind of interesting. And did some television stuff. And then I had the honor of, in San Diego, I won the Member of the Year 3 times.
And you won those competitions, correct?
I won Member of the Year, I won Close-Up Magician of the Year, Stand-Up Magician of the Year, and Entertainer of the Year. Awesome. So I don't compete there anymore. And then I also competed with you at Magic at the Gino Minari one.
That's right.
I took 2nd place. You took 3rd place. And then we also, and then I won the overall for the IBM Strolling Olympics in Reno 1 year.
Very good. Very good. All right. Thanks a lot, and we will continue in just a moment. Because it's getting too long. I mean, we'll intervene you, but I'm trying.
Oh, that's fine.
We'll have to do some clips. That's good there. All right, we are here at
the Palm Desert IBM SAM Assembly, IBM Ring for the Jeb Hobson lecture, with also the honoree of the SAM Assembly, Marvin Roy, Mr. Electric himself.
There's Mr. Electric right sitting up front.
Hi, Jeff Marcus here again, and Darin asked me to do this video of this rubber band illusion. This is not mine. It is out on DVD. I don't remember whose it is, but the rubber band goes around all my fingers like that. When I shake my hand, it actually penetrates my little finger. Notice it's only going around 3 fingers now, including my ring finger. I can move it over just like that. So now it's only going around 2 fingers. If you want to watch it, it looks like this, which leaves it around 1 finger, or we can take it off the last finger just like that. We can also double it over if you prefer, and then it goes right through the thumb. That's it.
Wow.